Today I am reviewing Microsoft Surface Pro 2 in one laptop/tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Microsoft Surface Pro 2 in one laptop/tablet 2024 represents one of the most ambitious advancements in portable computing yet, blending style, versatility, and power in a single, sleek device. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, the Surface Pro stands out with its premium build quality and modern design. Its matte black finish feels both professional and elegant, while the lightweight, portable chassis makes it perfect for professionals, students, or creatives who need a device that can adapt to different scenarios. Unlike a traditional laptop, this is a true hybrid, a laptop, tablet, and creative canvas all in one, and it accomplishes this without compromise. At the heart of the Surface Pro's appeal is its stunning 13-inch OLED touchscreen display with a resolution of 2880 by 1920 pixels. The OLED panel delivers exceptional color accuracy, deep contrast, and rich, vibrant visuals that make everything from streaming high-definition videos to editing creative projects a pleasure. The touchscreen functionality adds a layer of convenience, allowing for seamless navigation with taps, swipes, and gestures. For creative professionals, this becomes even more valuable when paired with a stylus, enabling drawing, sketching, and precise note-taking directly on the screen. Whether for work or entertainment, the display makes every interaction feel premium and immersive. Performance is where the Surface Pro truly shines. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite processor with 12 cores, the device delivers remarkable speed and efficiency. Coupled with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 512 gigabytes SSD, multitasking feels effortless, whether you are running heavy business applications, editing multimedia, or simply juggling multiple browser tabs. This hardware configuration offers smooth responsiveness and lightning-fast load times. Microsoft claims that the Snapdragon X Elite even outperforms some leading competitors in benchmarks, making this device not only a tablet, but a powerful workstation in its own right. The integration with Windows 11 Copilot Plus is a defining feature, offering intelligent AI-driven tools that transform productivity. From instantly recalling documents to enhancing video calls with noise cancellation, real-time translation, and AI-assisted creativity, Copilot Plus redefines how we interact with our computers. One of the most impressive aspects of this device is its adaptability. The Surface Pro Flex keyboard, sold separately, transforms it into a fully functional laptop, while the kickstand allows the device to be used at virtually any angle for drawing, typing, or presenting. This flexibility makes it perfect for a variety of environments, whether you are in a coffee shop, boardroom, or on the go. The device's portability is matched by its impressive battery life. Microsoft claims up to 14 hours of battery performance, which is more than enough for a full day of work, meetings, or study without the need for constant charging. When it is time to recharge, the fast charging capabilities ensure you're back up and running in no time. Another remarkable feature of the Surface Pro is its AI-driven Copilot Plus experience. This next-generation assistant transforms productivity by intelligently organizing files, retrieving past work, enhancing communication, and even generating creative content. The ability to translate conversations in real time and assist with creative projects makes the Surface Pro more than just a hardware device. It becomes a powerful AI companion that can adapt to your needs. These innovations bring a level of convenience and efficiency that sets this device apart from anything else on the market. While the Surface Pro offers incredible performance, versatility, and innovation, there are a few things to consider. The detachable keyboard and stylus are sold separately, which adds to the overall cost. Additionally, the device offers a limited number of ports, meaning you may need adapters or hubs to connect multiple peripherals. However, considering the premium build quality, powerful hardware, and advanced AI integration, these drawbacks are relatively minor and do not diminish the overall value of the device. In the end, the Microsoft Surface Pro 2 in one laptop/tablet 2024 is a statement of what modern computing can be. It combines sleek design, premium build quality, powerful performance, and unmatched versatility into a single package. Whether you're a creative professional, a business executive, or a student, this device offers the tools, flexibility, and intelligence to help you get more done, wherever you are. It's not just a laptop, and it's not just a tablet. It's a complete reimagining of portable computing for the AI era. For anyone looking to invest in a high-performance, future-ready device, the Surface Pro is a compelling choice that delivers far beyond expectations.